Hey guys, welcome back to Eat Guy's Kitchen. Today we're going to learn how to make Italian wedding soup. It's got nothing to do with the weddings. The only thing is that all the ingredients, they all mingle nice like a marriage. Let's get to the ingredients right away. Half a cup of ground pork, parsley, garlic, 1 egg, Parmigiano cheese, salt and pepper, chicken stock, breadcrumbs, celery, 1 carrot, half an onion, basil, parsley, and then some escarole. Some people they use like kale, spinach, but the traditional one is actually the escarole. Let's start to put some extra virgin olive oil in the pot, and now we're gonna start to make those beautiful meatballs. Okay, guys? Mini meatballs to go in the soup. Now I'm gonna just brown those meatballs a little bit in this pot where I already put some olive oil in there. I'm gonna brown it just a little bit. I'm gonna remove them as soon as I see a little bit of a color on the meatballs, and then I'm gonna add the vegetables, and I'm gonna add all the other things that it needs to be added. I'm gonna blend those vegetables. The only thing that you will be able to see will be just the meatballs, and then a little bit of a escarole, and then of course I'm gonna put just a little pastina, like a little mini piece of pasta, something like that. Okay, but let's see the process. So the meatballs, they have to be just like a teaspoon, like a mini meatballs, like a teaspoon. Don't make it like a big meatballs. Okay guys, now that we're done making my meatballs, they look perfect, they look nice. The reason why I do that, it's because I don't want that the meat falls off, breaks in the soup. I'm gonna just cut my vegetables, put it in the same pot, and I'm gonna cook it a little bit. When the vegetables, they start to be nice and tender, I'm gonna add my homemade chicken stock, and then I'm gonna start to blend the vegetables. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna add this beautiful stock, chicken stock. Actually, it's my last container, and that means that I have to make again chicken stock. And maybe I'm gonna put it in one of my new videos, how to make a homemade chicken stock. It's always good to have things like this on the side. You already have something in your freezer, you can just pull it out, defrost it, and I'm gonna add my chicken stock. So I'm gonna just put it like this for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start to blend all those vegetables. I'm going to add my escarole. I'm gonna add all my meatballs in there, because remember, the meatballs are just like halfway cooked. So we wanna now put it in this beautiful broth, okay? Basil, so I'm gonna chop this up too. I'm gonna grate a little bit of extra Parmigiano cheese. There you go. Black pepper, just like that. Let it simmer for 30 minutes, and then you try, you see if you like the consistency, and then you add some salt towards the end of the cooking. I'm gonna add a cup of little pastina. So guys, the soup, it's done. It's so good. Soup for a day like today. Anyway guys, this week we learned how to make this soup. Actually, a friend of mine told me to make this soup. So Connie, it's very simple. I hope you're gonna make it, and you're gonna tell me how it came out, okay? But I'm gonna see you next time. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with friends and family, hit the notification button, and you guys comment below. Just let me know if you want me to make a dish it's not a problem. I can make it for you, and I can show you how it's the quickest and the fastest way to make. Anyway, I'll see you next week, and I hope you guys have a good week starting from tomorrow, and stay home and stay safe. Bye.